Whoa. I need to go into TJ Maxx to get some business casual clothing for DC tomorrow, because I don't know if I fit any of my stuff. Alright, I got those white pants, even though I probably won't wear them tomorrow since I have to wear all black, but they were so cool. I had to get them. Here at the off-road night, I see my brother right now. I'm gonna go and eat a whole bunch of food, then find a place to run, hopefully where it's not raining. A little bit different scenery here than my normal spots. I didn't really do much today, that's why the vlog was really boring. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in DC, so after I'm done volunteering, I'm gonna maybe run there, I'm gonna wander around, I'm gonna get some cool vlog stuff. I need to get my second run in for the day, and it's raining out, and I'm under a bridge right now, so it's kinda cool. I'll see you guys after, alright? Update. Halfway, 1.8 miles, just turned around. My right shin hurts and my left foot hurts. Besides that, pretty good. It's getting dark. I feel like this vlog's just gonna turn into a whole bunch of like montage shots of me taking my shirt off. Now on top of these runs and these vlogs just being kind of nothingness, I want to put some type of theme. And I usually have no clue what that theme is gonna be until like the very last clip of the vlog. Today, it's as simple as you need to be willing to run in the rain. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Check out tomorrow's vlog, 7 a.m. every single day. Tomorrow I am volunteering in Washington, D.C. for the big man himself, Tony Robbins, and Gary Vaynerchuk is also speaking at that conference. So if I get out early enough, I'm gonna do a run and I'm gonna add some awesome B-roll of Washington into this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. Be here.